JGalisA+Architecture. Today is the 14th of May and the weather is kind of not so good because of the tropical storm decreasing. We have a scheduled trip today, guys, to the east direction to the construction site. I have a schedule today for the site visit, so I'll be posting an update on the status. See you guys.
Resource materials from various sources that provide background information and facts, data and records that supports our work. It's just a matter of selectivity as of which you are convenient. We have this current renovation project, and the main point of this video is to share to you the unforeseen scenario and conditions that we encounter during the construction. Construction site. Time to time, every day, different situation arises that needed immediate solutions. As an architect, the first and foremost is by doing some sketch study. Because of this, a lot of possibilities and solutions we may have. Once we move our hands together with our brain, there's no way we cannot solve the problem. Okay, this is the item that we'll be discussing, guys, because this is the item that we encounter problem at the site. The unforeseen scenario and condition during the demolition and construction. One of the aspects is that the existing structure has no reference plans and it is an old building, so this is the reason why we have this scenario. What I'm going to do is to discuss to you step by step how we did come up the solution in order to proceed with the construction schedule as normal, hopefully. The red mark represent the proposed design, which is located on the right side, of course. So I have here the concrete gutter, the roof framing, the roof, and portion of the ceiling. So I need to reflect this, guys, because this is somehow related to the scenario. And another portion of the ceiling, the concrete column, and then the cantilever beam. As you can see here, the green mark or the green line represent the existing structure that needs to be adjusted or repaired during the demolition or construction. So of course it will be affected. So during the demolition, this is the things we encounter. We have here the existing concrete masonry unit wall, but commonly named as here concrete hollow. The existing bottom cord, the wooden bottom cord of the truss, lays on the concrete wall or the CHP wall. At the same time, as well as the roof members of the roof, the roof members lays also on the wall. They just put a vertical steel support there. So during the demolition, what we encounter is supposed to be we'll demolish this existing wall already, but the demolition was put on hold because this bottom cord and then the roof members will collapse, because normally there should be a roof beam there, but there's none. So the first proposal that the contractor suggested is that we'll provide this steel girder and corbel to support the roof members. Structurally, this is accepted, but architecturally for me it's not. You know the reason why. The ceiling level will be affected. What I did, still provide the steel girders, but I put above, and then I add this bracket steel structure to carry the truss. So it's kind of reverse type, and then we can then bolted this steel to the wood. So from this, the adjustment of the ceiling level architecturally is very minimal. As you can see here, the red mark shows the proposed new ceiling. So normally the level will become approximately plus minus 2.90. It's very minimal, so architecturally it is accepted. Take note guys, this kind of situation, architectural must prevail in any case. Unless all other solution about structural is taken, then you don't have another choice. So this is the proposal now. Both sides, architectural and structural, is safe. We have a minor adjustment for the width of the ceiling, but it's okay, it's normal. That is accepted. The main point is the general concept of the interior is not total major changes. That is the most important thing to happen. As you can see here, I labeled the proposal. Actually guys, this is an additional item because it's not included in the bill of materials. And then I added some architect's note here. I highlighted this one. I usually put or add architectural grooves into two different materials in order to create a shadow line, unless otherwise the concept is seamless, so another approach will be taken.